Anyway, uh, I guess that's probably gonna be all for today because I have anime to watch and Zelda to play. Not gonna lie, true. It's stuck. Oh no. 20 minutes. T minus. Absolutely not. Oh my god. Ew. Excuse me. 65 is more fitting. I'm 22. Excuse me. Your favorite dinosaurs? Good night. Goodbye. The embarrassment is next with a lot of money. That was an angry burp. And also, yeah, Erica. You win. Excuse me. Yeah, last time I made a Wait. Excuse me.